Mr. Toad,
he messed up.
He messed up bad. He drank too much, he went driving, he got convicted, and then he got crushed by a train on his way to prison, and then he died and went to hell. That was Mr. Toad's Wild Adventure. Mr. Toad.
With your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And do supervise your children.
You're like twins. Look, Ben, they're looking down at you.
Welcome to Toad Hall. To ensure a safe and glorious drive in your car, remain firmly seated.
What's Mr. Toad like in hell?
He's crazy. He's everywhere. He's all in like weird places. Look, he's like on the car.
I'm okay with weird places, but like, why is he in hell?
Why is he what?
In hell?
Oh my god, why is Mr. Toad in hell?
Bye guys. Bye.
Have fun.
See you on the other side.
Of hell, apparently. So, if this actually works, I want you to see our faces. Oh, that was the ride. Okay.
Oh.
Hey, those are the Roger Rabbit. I know, right? The weasels? Stop! Oh! That was one nervous stop. That was... because he knew we weren't going to stop. Stop! No, we're Mr. Toad. I don't think it actually works. This is a pretty wild ride. Who gave Mr. Toad his license?
I don't know. He's going to the bar.
Oh, he's definitely like, he's drunk for sure. Liz, I'd like you to explain what we're seeing. Oh, he's going to hell because he's in jail. Did Mr. Toad die?
Wow, this is
a dark ride.
So now we're in hell.
We're in hell. What did we do?
That's horrible.
Oh my god. Oh, okay.
Well, if that taught me anything, the coolest place is definitely not the first part of the ride.
The best part was going to hell. Post-ride review. So, Mr. Toad,
he messed up.
He messed up bad. He drank too much, he went driving, he got convicted, and then he got crushed by a train on his way to prison, and then he died and went to hell. That was Mr. Toad's Wild Adventure. Yes.
And then my one last observation is that the judge was in hell, not the lawyer.
So, and also hell was the coolest part of the ride. So I'm getting mixed messages.
Yeah.
Mr. Toad. Can we sing it, Mary Poppins?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love it. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. All right?
Whatever you want to do.
Ready? We'll say it. Ready? One,
Start it.
2, 3. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Underline. She just smiled at me. I felt like a freak.
He did little kick.